Alright, so I was like, before I do this look, I'm gonna get this hair together, because if I can't get this hair together, I'm not gonna be doing this look. What's up guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you know, it's Sahara. There's a new trend that's been going around called the clean girl makeup trend. The makeup looks very natural. Everything from the hair to the outfit to the makeup looks very put together. It's kind of like an off-duty model look. Heavily Bella Hadid influenced and inspired. Why do I keep saying expired? So I have this two-piece on from I AM GIA. I already did a try-on haul for a lot of things that I had bought. I will link it because I did it like I think a year ago. The jewelry is Shein. Some girl on TikTok that was doing the trend, she said small jewelry, especially earrings, is the best. So I have the Shein on. I have my Michael Kors gold watch, Shein sunglasses. And of course they are the brown ones that have a more orangey type of tone. A Louis Vuitton bag that is not mine, so I'm gonna have to give I'm gonna have to give it back. But yeah, it matches, so I had to cop it right quick. For the sneakers, I have these Shein ones that have orange to them. I'm gonna have to see if I can get these stretched out, but I did buy these in the wrong size, so they are like a size too small for me. Let's see. Alright. I really want to keep my hair down, but they said hair up and in a bun. Dual-ended edge brush with a little comb, a hair tie that's ironically brown. This brush, this comb that has the thin pick side at the end. The rest of this Equal Styling Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel. I only have a little bit left though. Is that glue? Probably put some pieces down and brush it back. Don't want to put a lot of gel in it, because if you know, then you know that when you put gel like this in your hair, it takes like 2 to 3 washes for it to come out. When you have natural hair, well, when you have your hair like naturally curly or whatever, you can't really tell the difference, you know, because curly hair is dry hair, so it needs as much gel and moisture as it can get. But when you have your hair like this, straight, where you blow dry it and flat iron, oh, you can tell just how much gel is still in your hair. So I'm just gonna slick it just down a little bit so there's like little to no flyaways, but I'm not going to put a whole lot of gel like I am known for doing. Well, I don't think anybody knows it. I don't think anybody really cares to know it actually. But yeah, I know it. These pieces are kind of long. I'm just gonna cut them a little bit. Don't do this at home, kids. I've been wearing my hair a lot like this lately, so I don't mind cutting these pieces. I mean, you guys know I'm infamous for cutting my hair. But then again, does anyone really know that? Alright, I definitely think this looks good. I'm gonna keep it like this.
I'm chillin'. I'm tipping, I feel like I'm the man, shorty, twisted, I feel it, just keep doing your dance, shorty, I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, yeah, I'm chillin', I'm tipping, I feel like I'm the man, shorty, twisted, I feel it, just keep doing your dance, shorty, I feel it, I feel it, I feel it,
oh girl, I gotta know the status quo. I heard you coming to the party, don't forget to bring the Hennessy. I feel your energy, why do you tell me things that you know that I'm gon' have to get to know you, babe. I'm Casanova, babe, smooth operator. I'm calm and collected, I'm not a hesitator, but only time will tell if I mean you well. Alcohol speaks the truth, I guess I'm honest now. Let's be honest now. There's nothing to lose, a little juice before we out of town. But at what cost? At what cost? No love lost. I need to find out if you're all toss. For a second, yeah, you had me chasing. I mean my cup, girl. You know I'm playing. Yeah, she must and she a genie in the bottle. got him. Yeah, I know she.
I'm chillin', I'm tippin'. I feel like I'm the man, shawty. Twisted, I feel it. Just keep doing your dance, shawty. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, yeah. I'm chillin', I'm tippin'. I feel like I'm the man, shawty. Twisted, I feel it. Just keep doing your dance, shawty. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, yeah.
In addition with the lights red, bullin', sippin' absolute thoughts the same. Forecast, gloom, gray goose, sippin', got all my thoughts protruding. Doing things I ain't used to doing. Moving fast, you ain't used to cruising. I see you drive, girl. Yeah, ride for me, girl. Yeah, relocate to my spot and I better make them toes curl. Yeah, I see you added a new addition. My candy girl just switch positions. What's in them jeans is your true religion. It's lingerie and my bad intentions. Secrets of my whereabouts. Conversations I left out, what I care about. But I'm still here like Rogaine. On site with my side chick, getting domain, spending domain. Main clueless like Stacey Dash. Till she found out, I tell her Stacey Dash. Out the door, then she lit a match. Set fire to her, how amazing past. So, yeah, I'm back down that road. Bottles, clouds of smoke. Till I see that my main chick with my side chick in the bedroom telling me that there's more room. So
I'm chillin', I'm tippin'. I feel like I'm the man, shawty. Twisted, I feel it. Just keep doing your dance, shawty. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, yeah. I'm chillin', I'm tippin'. I feel like I'm the man, shawty. Twisted, I feel it. Just keep doing your dance, shawty. I feel it. I feel it, yeah.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Hear that? Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want me, mama, she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunned up, till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunned up, till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Kill my age, selling action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be blasting. Living in the midst of this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder, there ain't no second chances. That's far. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might